Good morning, Munar Restaurant. I'm Justin Vanda Food. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I please to know who am I speaking to?
Well, my name is Hazel Paragas.
Miss Paragash, should I make the table reservation in your name?
Yes,
When do you want to make the reservation, ma'am?
for tonight.
For how many people, Miss Paragas?
Just one only.
At what time, Miss Paragas?
At 7 p.m.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table booking, ma'am?
Okay.
Ma'am, you are having a table reservation at 7 p.m. for one person in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Paragas.
Yes.
Miss Paragas, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Monar. We look forward in welcoming you. Welcome to Monar Restaurant. May I ask if we have a reservation under your name, ma'am?
Yes, under Miss Paragas.
Yes, ma'am. Your table is ready. Please follow me, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. May I assist you with your table napkin, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. Here's the menu for your selection. These are your choices for appetizers. Soups, salads, increased main dishes, desserts, drinks, bottled water, sodas, juice, teas, coffees, liquors, cocktails, mocktails, and wines for tonight. Chief specials we have steamed crab meat and roasted duck and noodles. And for my recommendation, may I suggest bourbon squid chicken as it is one of our best sellers. I am sorry to inform you that this evening the deep fried quail dish is temporarily unavailable. Do you have any allergy, food restrictions, or special diets in your meals, ma'am?
No.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I fill your glass with distilled purified water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you ready to place your order?
Yes. May I have one salmon carpaccio, one chicken and mushroom soup, one Caesar salad, one rib eye stick in medium, please, and one slice of cheese stick for dessert.
Will that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
If may, if if I may, ma'am, may I suggest a bottle Beringer Chardonnay, a Californian wine with a bright citrus and honeyed apricot profile that will definitely complement with your salmon carpaccio, chicken and mushroom soup and Caesar salad.
If that's so, yes, please, may I have that bottle?
Noted on that, ma'am. On your main dish, ma'am, how about a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon or Beringer, a Californian wine as well? The sweet vanilla and richness of the oak flavors and with a hint of spice is a great pair for your steaks.
Well, sounds great.
Okay, ma'am. May I receive your orders for your appetizer? One orders of salmon carpaccio. For your second course, one chicken and mushroom soup. For salad, one orders for Caesar salad. One bottle of Berger Cardonnay. For your main dish, one orders of rib eye stick in a classic way, both medium. One glasses of Berger Cabernet Sauvignon. And for your dessert, one slice of cheesecake. By the way, ma'am, my name is Justin and I will be your server for tonight. Your order will be served in a while. May I excuse myself for a couple of minutes to place your order? Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your bread. This is your bread knife. Bread knife, salad fork, soup spoon, and your wine glass, ma'am. And also, this is your water goblet, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, here is your appetizer. Here is your appetizer. Your salmon carpaccio is a thickly sliced for fresh raw salmon marinated in olive oil. Vinaigrette is sprinkled with finely chipped fresh herbs, basil chips, red green bell pepper, shallots seasoned with rock salt and crushed black pepper, and topped with Parmesan shavings. Enjoy your appetizers, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your plate?
Yes.
Are you done with your appetizer, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your soup. Here's your soup. Your chicken and mushroom soup is a cream-based soup. We use shallot mushroom that is being sauteed in butter garlic and finely chopped shallots. Mixed with chicken stock and chicken strips from the breast part, enhanced with white wine seasoned with salt, pepper to taste. Enjoy your soup, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your soup?
Yes.
May I take your soup bowl, ma'am?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your third course salad. Here's your salad. Your Caesar salad is composed of romaine lettuce in anchovy dressing, bacon bits, croutons, then toast properly for even distribution of dressing, then top with Parmesan shaving as it should be done in a classic way. Enjoy your salad, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your salad?
Yes.
May I may I take your salad plate, ma'am?
Okay.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your main dish. Here's your main dish. Your ribeye steak, the classic steak, frit, which comprises of rice, portion of salad, and béarnaise sauce cooked in medium as per your liking. And your glass of Cabernet Sauvignon from Bearings for the protection of your teeth. Enjoy your main course, ma'am.